come on. No.
That's what we were. So what is this?
Just stepped on stage. Oh my God. Where the hell's Richie? Uh-oh. There's John.
Welcome to Giant Stadium, New Jersey. Actually, look at that, I'm already in trouble.
Exactly.
New Meadowlands Stadium.
Yeah, New Meadowlands.
You know I'm gonna fuck that up too.
Is there another team?
Yeah, the Cowboys. Cowboys. Wow.
Cardinals.
A lot going on here today, folks.
How you doing?
They got the Super Bowl.
So, what did I ask? Top 5 requests.
Always!
Here when you say like.
Always!
Wait. You write them down. We'll poll them tonight. I really want to know. Okay, I promise that we'll be doing that kind of stuff. Tri-County's on top of the list. But roses, those are obvious. What else we got? That's so it would really, you'd be doing me a favor. Anything you can write down, give it to the guys, and we'll go through them and figure it out. And if I look too nervous tomorrow, just tell me to smile. And if I split my pants, don't tell me. And if I forget the words, sing it for me. Because it's possible.
I hope you can hear this. There's Richie. The man just finally showed up. Richie!
Love you, Richie!
I didn't say that one. That wasn't enough at all.